In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok app. Recently, TikTok has added a new feature that is repost. Many people are getting this feature, and some people are not getting this feature. So I'm making this video on how you can get this feature. As you can see that, I have this feature already. So now I'm gonna show you the process how I got it. To learn it, watch the full video. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open Play Store, and for iPhone users open the App Store. Now search TikTok. Now check it, your TikTok app's update is available or not. If your TikTok app update is available, then update this app. After updating this app, then go to your home page. Now, hold on this TikTok app icon for 3 seconds. Then tap on this info icon. Now tap on storage. From here, first tap on clear cache, and then tap on clear data. Then tap on OK. Now open your TikTok app again. Now, you have to log in your TikTok account. After log in your TikTok account, then you will get this feature. But even after that, if you still don't get this feature, then this feature is not available in your region. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video fully.